Diablo Tools continues to come out with a wide range of innovative cutting solutions for all kinds of applications. Recently they came out with 4 new saws, or saw blades, that I want to talk to you about. The first one is their deep cutting hole saws. There's 32 of them. And they have a one-piece mandrel, toolless, that just kind of screws on and snaps on. And it works great. I got to test these, and the thing I like about it, there's no tools, it ejects the wood plug, and the extra deep hole saw allows you to get through materials like a 2x4 shoe plate and 3/4 plywood subfloor, stuff like that. They're thinking about how we use these in the trades, and they're working through it. The hole saws are going to run somewhere between $8 and $41 depending on the size and what you get, and eventually they'll have kits as well. They're all working on this. Second thing we looked at was their high performance flooring blade. It's made for pergo flooring. Laminate flooring has taken over the industry, and you know, these clear coatings that they put on these laminate floorings that contain aluminum oxide just absolutely tear up saw blades. So doesn't extreme hardwoods like Ipe. So this type of a blade is designed to give you 75 times the life. They're expensive blades, but you make out your savings in the long run. You make out plus. You can make more profit on a job with a blade like this. This blade has a polycrystalline diamond teeth that are bonded to the blade. The anti-kick design, anti-vibration design, perma-shield coating, all the bells and whistles that high-quality blades have, but 75 times the life. 3 different saw blades. They range from $90 up to the 12-inch blade, which is $200. And again, over the course of an installation, one blade will take care of it all, plus 75 times the life. Let's talk about my favorite thing, the 2 reciprocating saws that I found. And the first one was designed for nail-embedded wood. Both of the saw blades, the metal and the nail-embedded wood, they have an enhanced carbide tip-to-blade attachment that helps prevent tooth loss and dulling from impact. Kind of a variable tooth design, 1-inch blade, which gives it it makes it thicker, so you're not flexing this blade, but it gives you a straighter cut. And a unique plunge tip for the wood blade that allows you to plunge a little bit better and more aggressively. Very impressed. We tested these in 2x12s with hardened steel masonry nails, and I cut through dozens and dozens and dozens of these nails before the blade started to slow down. Super impressed with the nail embedded wood. Additionally, I was very impressed with the metal, the bimetal blade. It's called Steel Demon Carbide Tip Reciprocating Blade, and it's designed for cutting cast steel, stainless steel, high strength alloys. You know, bandsaws, a lot of guys go to the bandsaw to cut steel on the job site, and bandsaws will never be replaced, but we don't always have a bandsaw, do we? And if you're out in a trench or out in the field and you need to cut a cast pipe or some sort of a pipe, these blades will plow through it. I cut several times before the blade started to dull. It cut way faster than a lot of competition blades. And we're going to do some independent testing on our own. But most importantly, and probably the most impressive thing, is we saw a demonstration where they used this blade to cut boron. Boron is a very high strength steel that's used in the automotive industry in the roll cage technology and anti-crush type protection for occupant protection in a vehicle. Problem with this steel is that the older versions of the fire department jaws of life cannot cut it. They're not strong enough. This blade slices through it. It's a very impressive blade. It's going to save some lives until these fire departments can get their jaws of life up to speed. In any event, 4 new blades. Very impressive. These saw blades, by the way, the nail embedded saw blade runs from $7 to $13, 3 different blades. And then the Steel Demon Carbide is $8 to $15 approximately, 3 different blades. Very impressive offering from Diablo. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you next time. Take care.